working on the Mini here a little bit. Took the wheels off. Gonna go get new rubber all around on those. And the brakes I was actually gonna change, but I think they just need to be cleaned up. The car's been sitting so long. The pads are like huge, so they look new. The rotors are good. They're just rusty on the outside and on the edge, so I'm gonna clean those up. Has no serpentine belt, so I'm gonna run out and grab me one of those. Take tires in to get some new rubber on, and we'll be back at her in a minute. Okay, back to the Mini here. Took it for a little spin around the block and it was clunking really bad. So I checked down here, the drive shaft just wobbles, just shakes in here. A lot of play there. It's clunking really bad. So take that off. Have to do the steering knuckle here. Take that off. Then there's one more bolt right there holding the A-arm on, and to get that one off, and then we can tap the drive shaft out, and we got a brand new one sitting right here ready to slide in. Okay, how to change your plans. I could not reach this bolt. Where am I? Yeah, right there. Because the CV joint was in the way. So I took those two off here and dropped that with the bat. I can't think. Anyway, so we didn't take much. I just used a big pry bar here and took it inside here and just popped it out. It wasn't really tough. Came out pretty easy. And then make sure you have a drip pan underneath it, because transmission fluid is going to come out. So we pulled it out there and popped the new one in, and just a quick little tap, hold it nice and straight, little tap on the end with a little sledge, and got the CV axle popped into place. So we're just gonna pop it back in, cinch her back up, hook everything up, and see how it runs.